Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm sharing all of the kits and sticker sheets that I am using in the month of February. This is the plan. Sometimes the plans change, but I want to share all of these with you. I don't think I'm going to change my mind on any of these. No, these are good. Okay, let's get into it. First, I'm going to show you the ones I'm going to use in my plum paper Vertical Priorities A5 planner. Then I'll share my monthly kit for my memory planner and my weekly kits for my memory planner. You guys last time commented on this video and said that you miss the monthly spreads. And I explained that they take a long time to edit and I wasn't getting that many views. But because so many of you requested it, I am going to bring back the monthly spreads. So I hope that you guys will enjoy that. Okay, let's get into it. So first, get those out of the way. These are the sticker sheets I'm going to use for the 4 weeks in February. So for the first week, I'm going to use these guys. I thought this would be so fun, this little combo. These sheets are both from According to Allie. I will link all the shops down in the description if you want to check these out. These cups or mugs are so pretty and just beautiful, and I love this green one, and so I thought I would bring in this Sage Alcohol Ink transparent sheet. I think these will go really well together and look just kind of like boho and fun. Ooh, so cute. Then I've got this, well, it's not really a kit. It's 2 sheets from Handkin Plan. This is from the Boho Chic collection. These are just beautiful, and I just think that they will be so pretty in February. They're kind of like seasonless, and I really love the messages of these. Just so pretty. And I'm currently trying out using these 2 particular sheets this week that I'm filming, and it's working out really well. And so I'm excited to try that again. These sheets are just enough for what I need in my plum paper. So that's week 2. For Valentine's week, I have these 2 sheets from Cactus Paper Company from the journal or the Love collection, and these are journaling pages from that collection. So I just think these are going to look so cute. I'm really excited to try out her journaling pages in my memory planner, no, my plum paper, because I've been really eyeing these, and this was the first one where I was like, I gotta use that. So this is going to be like for my Valentine's week. I think these are super cute. There's a lot of variety in here, and it's going to look like a fun, like pieced together spread, and it's going to be cute. So that's for week 3. And then for the last week of the month, I have actually 3 sheets from Handkin Plan. So on my first order for my plum paper, specifically, I just got these 2 sheets, but this week I'm going to try to incorporate this one as well. So we'll see if I need this sheet or not, or if these 2 are good enough for me. I just really wanted to experiment and see what would work. So this is the Rainbow Dreams collection. This is so cute. I just love this. It's adorable. And the patterns are just so cute. And I love the little wonky rainbows. So we've got this one with the full boxes, this one with like boxes and functional things, and then the washi sheet. And I've been kind of like cutting these down and using them for various things. So we'll see if I need the 3rd sheet or 2 is good, but I'm excited. So those are all of the sheets for my plum paper. And then let's go to my memory planner. So I use the Sadie stickers now I use the dated one. So the Sadie stickers dated version of her planner. And here is the monthly kit I'm going to be using. Thankfully, Jessica Hearts, she restocked this kit because I totally missed it. And I didn't have a February kit. And I saw it and I was like, I thought I ordered that, and I didn't. And she thankfully restocked it. It's so pretty. So this is called the Midnight Bouquet Kit. So I had it upside down there for a second. Okay, so this is a 4-page kit. You get the foiled sheet on top. I chose rose gold just because of the tones of this kit, and I thought it would look really pretty. So the foil is going to go over these 2 strips. It's just really beautiful, vibrant florals with kind of a like a dark tone to the background. I just think it's so pretty. I really like that she did this. Use this under the Sun Wee, which is the Sunday through Wednesday top header. That's really good. So those are for the days that aren't in the month. That's very helpful. Thank you, Jessica. And then this is the sidebar. She's been like redesigning her stuff. I like that she's been kind of labeling things. And then these are the icons, and you can like overlay the little stickers or just use them as dots. And then the last page has like vacation strips and some decorative boxes. It's simple but beautiful, and I'm really excited to use it for this month. Then let's go to the weekly kits. So this one I just kind of bought on a whim because I just thought it was really pretty. And this may be one of the kits that like Jessica actually took photographs for and incorporated it with other photos. I think that's the case with this one. I know she did it with another kit, but I just thought it was really pretty. And it has kind of like a hint of spring to it because it's got like a lightness to it. And I thought this would be really fun to use at the end of January because here in Texas, it starts warming up in February most of the time. And so I feel like this is a good like end of winter kind of, at least in my planner kind of kit. So this is going to be just really pretty. This is the mini kit, A Wander in the Redwoods. It's just beautiful. And I really like the colors. It still has kind of like a wintry kind of feeling, but like a touch of spring. It's just really pretty. Really pretty. This is not the redesigned weekly format. I'm excited to try that because she has changed it up a little bit, and I think it's going to be more functional for me. So that is the first kit for the month. Then I have this one called Viscount from Scribble Prints Co. This is Bridgerton themed. I was going to save it for the premiere week of the season 2 of Bridgerton, but I decided I'm just going to throw it into my February kits because I kind of needed something to break up the pinks of these two kits, and I just thought this would be fun because it's kind of romantic, and I love Bridgerton. I probably need to rewatch it again before season 2 comes out, but this is themed for season 2. So we've got Anthony and what is her name? She's the main character in season 2, but she's like his love interest. I can't wait. And this is just really kind of different vibes from the others that I'm going to be using this month. And I think that that's going to be good for like the mix of my planner. I love to have lots and lots of variety in my spreads. Really pretty colors too. I like these colors so much. And the bottom washi's so cute. And I really like the extra box too. I'll probably use that. And I'll probably use these boxes as well. I just think they're super cute. These are kind of like reminiscent of season 1. So I really want to incorporate these too. Really cute kit. So this is the mini kit, by the way. I don't think I said that. I'm all about the minis. Okay, for Valentine's week, I've got Valentine's Brunch Mini from Jessica Hart's. And this is a photography kit. It's really cute. It's not like overly like in your face annoying with like Valentine's Day. I don't like that so much, but I think this is really cute. Plus the pictures are just so pretty. I just really like them, and it's very soft. There's not like a ton of pink in it, which I really like. Ooh, that's pretty. And the bottom washi is so pretty. I love that. Okay, so this is going to be my week 3 Valentine's kit. Then last, I have a kit from Sadie Stickers called Paris Dreams, and this one is really pretty. This is in her redesigned format, I believe, or maybe not. I can't remember. Anyway, this is the Paris Dreams kit. It has a rose gold foiling on it. It's so pretty. I just really like this one because it has the foiling that I like that she does, where she does like a mix of like overlays and then like highlighting different things. Just really cute. And then we've got the boxes here. Everything's very like delicate. And again, just a different vibe from the other 3 that I'm using. Oh, those are so pretty. I can't wait to use this. And that bottom washi. I love that she's kind of made them different sizes. I really like that. It just brings a little bit more balance to my spreads. Oh, I Love this kit. It's beautiful. I can't wait to go to Paris someday. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description for links to all of these shops. I know that a lot of these are still available if you would like to purchase them. Also, let me know down below, what is your favorite kit or sticker sheet or whatever that you're looking forward to using in February? Like, is there something that I need to check out, or you just want to just highlight that you are just excited about? Let me know. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!